Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Learn to Make and I'm Zifeng. So today I'm going to talk about what this channel is actually about. Officially. Let's go. So before understanding this channel, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Zifeng, Ong Zifeng from Singapore, and I'm currently studying. I'm studying my master degree in Nanyang Technological University in the School of Art, Design and Media. So basically, I just graduated from my degree 4 months ago. So now I'm doing my masters at the same school, School of Art, Design and Media. In short, it's called AEM. I'll show you a picture. Bing! So by the end of my master's degree, I will submit a thesis regarding of kinetic media, and that is basically what I do currently. I have a product design diploma and an interactive media degree. So product design taught me how to think and how to actually make stuff, and interactive media taught me the coding side. So if I need any moving part, any digital stuff, any LED, any screen, I can wire them up and code them. So I show you the videos of me making stuff and the project that I did in school for the past years, because all our projects need to be documented somewhat. Then I have some process of me making stuff.
So the more we light, the more sound.
Yep.
But I thought you mentioned the light gets darker. The lights get dimmer.
Hello. This is obsoleting instrument. Please insert the card into the phone after the tone. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I do. So I like to learn stuff and I like to make stuff. So this is why this channel is called Learn to Make. The origin of this channel is because when I look for stuff online, something that I want to learn, all I see is the professionals teaching the noobs like us how to make stuff. And because they are professional, they make it seem so easy. And I want to show you the process of someone new like me learning something that I didn't know about. This is what this channel is about. The learning process and the hardship behind learning something new. It is to encourage all of you to step out of your comfort zone and try to learn something new or do something that you always want to do. Because it's always the first step that is the hardest. So I hope that you can try something that you always want to do but have never done before. So whatever I did the previous 6 videos was my pre-YouTube videos. It is me setting up all the necessary stuff that is required for YouTube channel. And this is my 7th video. So this is actually my first video that introduced this channel. So lastly, since this is my first video, it's an intro video, I'll have a lot more video in the future. So subscribe and click the bell below. I'll post at least 1 video every week. If not, I will just upload random stuff. And also, if you don't hate this video, click the like button. If not, you can scold me and scold my family in the description below. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.